Today we will learn the AC cycle. AC cycle has main four parts: compressor, condenser, expansion valve and evaporator. Uh, First part is compressor. In compressor, a refrigerant enters in low pressure, low temperature gas. Compressor compresses it and it becomes high pressure, high temperature gas. This high pressure, high temperature gas enters into the condenser and condenser releases the heat to the surrounding and gets become condensed. This liquid refrigerant enters into the expansion valve. Expansion valve is a capillary tube where pressure drops suddenly and it becomes low pressure, low temperature liquid. This low pressure, low temperature liquid enters into the evaporator. Evaporator absorbs the heat from the space we want to cool and becomes gas.